So hello everyone. So now this is part 2, drafting a virtual message. That's 3.5. Message writing. With mobile virtually in every hand, be it a student of secondary or higher secondary standard or a housewife, writing message seems a remote possibility. We rarely write messages, na? Remote means बिल्कुल नहीं होता है आजकल, क्योंकि मोबाइल तो है ही ना. वी ऑलवेज message writing is like, for example, someone gives you a message for your family members, okay, and then you have to write a small chit and stick on the fridge or something, okay. So that we are talking about that message. It's not about WhatsApp messages, okay. Now today we can just pick up the WhatsApp and send a message immediately, but you should know this method also. But this was a situation few years ago. The excessive use of mobile and basic phones has brought forth the inconvenience caused by these otherwise quite useful devices. That their use has been banned at many places like schools, offices, hospitals, and many other places, where they are considered more of a disturbing instrument than a convenience to the user. Although members of a family, classmates, colleagues, bosses, employees have to write scores of messages for others. Thus, learning to write a short and clear message is a very important writing skill to be mastered. Means you have to become a master in writing messages. Okay. Most often, the input for a message comes in the form of a telephonic conversation between two people. The virtual conversation conveyed in the conversation is to be converted into a message for a third person. So you are sitting at home and your dad is not there, and someone calls up for your dad and he gives a message, okay. And then supposing you have to leave immediately, you have to go out somewhere, कहीं जाना है तुमको बाहर, तो फिर you write a short message and keep. So like so what are required to write a message, that format I'll tell you later. But basically it is, you are writing a small message and it has to be to the point. You can't write like a letter, okay. So whereas sometimes standard instructions contain the necessary information for the message, such messages are written on small pieces of paper called memo slips. Basically, such messages contain the following. So the format is date, time, what time you took the message, name of a person to whom the message is directed. You want to inform somebody, so you'll have to write the name of that person. Then body of the message, a small write-up about the message, what message you want to convey, and end with your name, the writer or the sender who is giving the message, okay. Points to remember. Now, points to remember. While writing the body of the message, the following points have to be kept in mind. Only the most important details should be written. Now, that person may tell many things, but cut it short. जो main points है वो ही convey करना है. No new information should be added. You cannot write your own instructions. Just what you have received, put it on the paper. Grammatically correct sentences should be used. Indirect or reported speech should be used. You cannot say, if somebody has told you something, you cannot write I. You have to say that he or she, depending on who has given you the message. The message should be written in simple language and without any abbreviations, no shortcuts, no abbreviations to be used. Check your message before you submit and send it, Just check whether you have written everything correctly. Be friendly and polite. Avoid pun, ambiguity, witticism, being very witty, या ambiguity means not clear. Pun intended means कभी कभी जो सेंटेंसेस का सेकेंड मीनिंग होता है, एक डबल मीनिंग वाले सेंटेंसेस, दैट इज लाइक पन. So in short, words that would create confusion or a chaotic situation. Don't write a message which can create confusion or chaos. Now there's an example given here. You receive a telephone call from your mother's office when she is not at home. मम्मा घर पर नहीं है और एक उनके ऑफिस से एक मैसेज आ जाता है, एक फ़ोन आता है. So you have the following conversation with the speaker, but you have to go for your tuition class. So you leave a message for your mother. Write the message within 50 words using the information given below. Do not add any new information. So तुम घर पर हो एंड मम्मी के ऑफिस से एक फ़ोन आता है, तो उन्होंने जो कहा वो अपने मम्मी के लिए मैसेज छोड़ना है, बट यू आर ऑल्सो इन अ हरी, यू हैव टू गो फॉर ट्यूशन, कहीं जाना है, तो फिर दिस इज हाउ यू राइट. सो नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल सी व्हाट द कॉन्वर्जेशन वाज. ओके, नाउ Ambuj. So Ambuj is saying hello. So Mr. Rastogi is saying hello. May I speak to Miss Dikshit please? So this person is Ambuj's mother. Okay, I am Naresh Rastogi from the office. So नरेश रस्तोगी उसके मामा के ऑफिस से, उनकी मामा के ऑफिस से बात कर रहे हैं. तो Ambuj is saying mom's not at home right now. So Mr. Rastogi says, in that case, can you give her a message? It is urgent. Please tell her that the meeting fixed for tomorrow has been rescheduled. Ask her to check her mail as soon as possible for the details. Please don't forget to inform her. So ऐसे मैसेजेस कितने सारे फ़ोन कॉल्स आते हैं ना तुम लोगों के लिए भी. So Ambuj is saying don't worry, I will tell her as soon as she returns. 14 February 3:30 p.m. Now this is your question. You have to write a message and make a nice box. Write message, a box. So the message is for whom? Mom. Written by whom? Ambuj. Time is missing, but you have to write this here. Okay, you'll have to write mom and Ambuj also, and what time the messages come, you'll have to write that. See now how, who called up first of all? Mr. Rastogi from the office called up to say that. So you can even say Mr. Rastogi from the office had called up. He said that, you can change the sentences a little, okay? Now what did he say? Now go back to this. Now from here you can reframe. For example, it is urgent. You can say that he said it was urgent. क्योंकि डायरेक्ट स्पीच में उन्होंने बोला is urgent, but when you write indirectly you'll have to tell कि he said that. If you don't write that also it's okay. It was urgent. Please tell her that. So Mr. Rastogi from the office called up to say that. This you can actually by heart it off. This will come in most of your sentences. Called up to say that. तो क्या कहा उन्होंने? The meeting fixed for tomorrow has been rescheduled. Okay, so he said that the meeting fixed for tomorrow has been rescheduled. So this you can just copy ditto from here. Ask her to check her mail as soon as possible for the details. Okay, so you can say he wants you to check your mail. See, ask her to check. So he wants you to check your mail as soon as possible for the details. He said it was urgent. तो पूरा इसी को पैराग्राफ रेडी है. यू हैव टू जस्ट पुट इट इन एन इनडायरेक्ट वे. ओके, एंड देन एंड इट विथ Ambuj. दिस होल थिंग शुड बी लेस देन 50 वर्ड्स, नॉट बिग मैसेजेस. सिंपल, जस्ट कॉपी दिस पार्ट. जो मेन मैसेज है वो चुनना है पहले एंड उसको लिखना है यहाँ पे. ओके, now this is, see how the message will be. After writing, put a nice box. So you have your date, the time, to whom are you writing and from whom. Okay, now the question was, this brainstorming ka. Now Rakesh calls up. Hello, may I speak to Dr. Sarkar? So यहाँ पे राकेश कहाँ पे आएगा? हाँ, that Rakesh has spoken, right? So Rakesh is saying, hello, may I speak to Dr. Sarkar? So Mrs. Sarkar is saying, he has gone to the hospital to attend the OPD. May I know who's speaking? So Rakesh is saying, yes, I am Rakesh Sood. My wife has been having a severe headache since yesterday. Since this morning, she has also developed a high temperature. I would be very grateful if the doctor could come over to our place to examine her. So Mrs. Sarkar ना डॉक्टर की बीवी है तो बोलती है, of course, please let me note down your address. So Rakesh says it is B49 New Colony. So Mrs. Sarkar बोलती है, I will give him your message as soon as he returns. Rakesh says thank you. Okay. Now Mrs. Sarkar had to leave for the school where she teaches. So she is a teacher, so she has to go out. अभी ये message husband को देना है, okay, and she is already busy. So she wrote a message for her husband. So draft the message in not more than 50 words. So you can take example, you can take any name you want, okay. So Sumit, Sunita is Mrs. Sarkar, wife, and Sumit is the Dr. Sumit, okay, Sarkar. Now she will not call him doctor, no? So you don't have to write doctor. You can write any name you want here. Since the name is not written here, you can write any name you want. Now the message has to be very short. So Rakesh Sood, staying at B49 New Colony, rang up to say his wife has been having a severe headache since yesterday. Since morning, she has also developed a high temperature. Here it's easy because it's already she. You know, he's talking about his wife. So you can just, instead of saying my wife, say his wife. Okay? It's not your wife. It is Rakesh Sood's wife. So you have to tell, don't say my. All this you have to change. I would be very grateful. You can say he would be very grateful if the doctor could come over. You can add all that if you want. So since morning, she has also developed a high temperature. He wanted you to go over to their place to examine her as soon as possible. तो वाइफ इज सुनीता, डॉक्टर्स वाइफ, तो उन्होंने अपने हस्बैंड के लिए एक छोटा सा नोट भी लिखा है क्योंकि उनको फ़ोन आया था राकेश सूद से कि उनकी बीवी का तबीयत ठीक नहीं है और डॉक्टर को कहना प्लीज़ टू कम एंड एग्जामिन, लेकिन इनको जल्दी है, इनको जाना है स्कूल में, वो टीचर है, तो वो एक छोटा सा नोट इसे मैसेज लिख देती है. सो व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग अ मैसेज यू हैव टू write the date, the time, and it has to be in a very nice box like this. Okay, see, this is called the memo slips. In offices we have this memo slips. In that we write small notes like this and send. Okay. Even you all can make such slips and stick it in your textbook. It helps. I'll send you the screenshots. You can copy it out. Or I think Kajal has already sent the PDF. Okay. These slips are very good. If while revising, it will help you. Okay. Using information from the dialogue given below, write the message which Amrita left for her brother Saurajit. Do not leave out any vital information or add any new information. खुद का कोई ऐड नहीं करना है और जो मेन है उसको निकालना भी नहीं है. You have to put everything. Now Shekhar is calling up. Is this 28473892? Amrita, yes. May I know who's speaking? Shekhar, I am Shekhar. I want to speak to Saurajit. I am his friend from IHM Goa. I am his sister. Saurajit is not at home at the moment. Can you ring up a little later? So Shekhar says, no, I shall be a little busy. Actually, I have got a placement at the Hotel Mumbai and will have to join with immediate effect. So right now I am trying to get all the formalities completed. This is the news that I wanted to give Saurajit. Will you do that for me? Also tell him that I will let him know my new cell phone number as soon as I get one. I will do that. Bye and all the best. Amrita had to leave for office, so she wrote a note for Saurajit. Draft her message in not more than 50 words. Okay, so this is your question. Now what is important here? So first of all, Amrita is writing, she has to write to whom? She has to write to, so there's a time, date and time first of all. Okay. Saura, I think that B is not there, no, I've written B there. So Saurajit, your friend Shekhar from IHM Goa called up to say that he had got a placement. So here it is, I have got, you can make it had, okay, that he had got a placement at the Hotel Mumbai. He is busy getting all the formalities done. He said he would give his, so here it will be I will give. I will let him know my cell phone number. You can say will becomes would here. Huh? He said he would give you because Amrita is telling Saurajit, no, that Shekhar will give you. So when you're writing this, no, you have to visualize that you are this person and you're writing to this person. Think that you are here always. Of course, don't write your name, write your whatever name is there. But it's like, you're telling your brother, you're telling your friend. He said he would give you his new cell number as soon as he got it. So here you can even say as soon as he got it or as soon as he gets one. You can put it anyway. As soon as he gets one, the moment he gets it, he will do it. So this is your first message. I want you all also to make like the small things and stick it on the... You can change a little if you want, no problem. Your next test I'll be giving on this only. Okay, now there is the next is, you are Priyanka, a personal assistant to Miss Sen. She was away attending a meeting when Mr. Garg rang up. So Miss Sen has gone out somewhere, so her assistant picks up the phone. Priyanka picks up the phone, and who calls her? Mr. Garg. You spoke to him, so you are Priyanka, okay? So you spoke to him and jotted down his message in your notepad. So make a message. Now draft the message for Miss Sen using this information. Mr. Garg rang up at 5 p.m. See, you can fill in the blanks here actually. Do fill in. He has received the CDs and posters. He is coming tomorrow to thank you. So Mrs. Sen ki jagah pe you are writing the, and to personally hand over the check. So here all the information is there. You have to just fill in this blanks and write a note. So date, very important. Time, you can write any date and any time you want. Preferably the date of the exam, or maybe some before that. You can't write because this is past, it's already over. You cannot write a future date there. Already message le chuka hai na, so you have to write a past. Madam, because Priyanka is telling her boss na, Miss Sen. Even you can write Miss Sen also here, but normally we write ma'am because you call her ma'am. Mr. Garg rang up at 5 p.m. while you were away attending a meeting. So that line is there here. See, she was away attending a meeting. देखा? तो इसको डिट्टो लिख सकते हो. So she, no, you were away attending a meeting when Mr. Garg rang up. He said that he had received the CDs and the posters. He said that he would come tomorrow to thank you and to personally hand over the check. Priyanka, PA, personal assistant. Okay, a small 2-line ka. Third one. Now let's read the conversation between Ashna and Mr. Singh. Hello, may I speak to Ranjit, please? Mr. Singh is saying, Ranjit is getting ready for school. May I know who's speaking? My name is Ashna. I am Ranjit's classmate. Hello, Ashna. I am Ranjit's father. Is there any message? Yes. Please ask him to bring his biology notebook to school today. I was absent from school due to illness. I would like to see the notes which our biology teacher gave to the class during my absence. So Mr. Singh is the father. So he's saying, I'll definitely do that. Now, since Mr. Singh had to go for his morning walk, see, Mr. Singh has to go for his morning walk and beta तैयार हो रहा है अंदर या फिर मे बी नहाने गया होगा. So, and he has to give this important message to, which Ashna has given. So he writes a small message and keeps it on the table. Draft that message in 50 words. So here the message is, कौन लिख रहा है? Mr. Singh, और he's writing for Ranjit. Okay, कि आशना ने फ़ोन किया था, and so this part is more important here. Your classmate, you can also say that. Now it is before going to school, so the time accordingly, time you should think it can be 7 o'clock in the morning, and any date so you can write. Date and time you have to write. So dad, here you don't have to write Mr. Singh, you can say dad is writing to Ranjit. Ashna called up right now. She wanted you to take your biology notebook to school today. She told that she would like to see the notes given by your biology teacher during her absence. Dad. You can compare the two of them and you'll come to know it's all, she told that, she would. So, it's very easy. It is I, just make it she, because it's a girl. She would like to see the notes which, not our biology teacher, you write your biology teacher, because the father is telling the son. Gave during my absence will be Ashna's absence, so her absence. I was absent from school due to illness. Now this you don't have to write because maybe the boy already knows that the girl was not there, no? Even if you write, it's okay. You can say that as she was absent. So now I becomes a she because it's a female here. नहीं तो ही करना है. बस ये I मत लिखना. मैसेज तुम नहीं दे रहे हो. It is on behalf of somebody you are telling, okay? So I'll when I'm sending a screenshot, I'll be sending you this. I will not be sending the question, okay, at the back. Now again here there is one where the message is, Rajat comes home from school and finds the door locked. Darwaja band hai. Okay. Since he has a duplicate key, he enters. He finds a note from his mother kept on the table. In it, she explains that she had to rush to the hospital with Mrs. Manohar, their neighbor, who had met with an accident. So रजत स्कूल से आता है, दरवाज़ा बंद होता है, तो ही हैज़ डुप्लीकेट की. उसने दरवाज़ा खोला, अंदर आके देखा तो टेबल पर एक नोट है, उसकी मम्मा ने लिखा है. तो मम्मा को कहीं जाना था, वो नेबर का कोई उनका एक्सीडेंट हुआ है, तो उनको लेके वो हॉस्पिटल जा रही है करके उसने एक छोटा सा नोट लिखा है रजत के लिए. शी हैज़ ऑल्सो रिटन दैट ही शुड हैव, कि टेबल पे जो खाना रखा है उसके बारे में कुछ लिखा उन्होंने कि यू शुड हैव द राइस एंड करी केप्ट ऑन द डाइनिंग टेबल फॉर लंच. लंच के लिए राइस एंड करी टेबल पर रखा है, वो खा लो. देन ही कुड हीट द फूड इन द माइक्रोवेव ओवन इफ़ यू वांटेड टू. अगर ये है ना ऑलरेडी इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में दे आर गिवन यू, ओके, सो इट विल बी ईजी फॉर यू टू राइट द मैसेज. देयर इज नो कॉन्वर्जेशन हियर. सो the mother said that he could heat the food in the microwave if he wanted to, but he should be very careful while handling the switch. यानी माइक्रोवेव में अगर गर्म करना है खाना तो वो कर सकता है, लेकिन स्विच ठीक से हैंडल करना, लाइक बी केयरफुल. So now draft the message. Sometimes your questions can be like this and you have to draft a message. Now let's see. So who is writing to whom? Mom has written to Rajat. Date, time, and you can write little ना lunch के पहले, क्योंकि lunch बोला है ना, तो time you have to read the, if it's early in the morning or it was evening or ना, that is very very important, okay? अभी लंच के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, यानी लंच के पहले का होगा. स्कूल से बस आया है बच्चा. मिसेस मनोहर हैज़ मेट विथ एन एक्सीडेंट. आई एम रशिंग टू हॉस्पिटल, क्योंकि मम्मा खुद बोल रही है ना, तो शी विल राइट आई, ओके, किसी और का मैसेज नहीं दे रही, वो खुद अपने बेटे को लिख रही है. आई एम रशिंग टू हॉस्पिटल विथ हर. आई हैव केप्ट राइस एंड करी ऑन द डाइनिंग टेबल फॉर योर लंच. हीट द फूड ना, शुड बी देयर. in the microwave if you want to. Be careful while handling the switch. Okay. So message writing is not difficult. It's a little tricky. Okay. Now there's one more. Ruhan rang up. Book reading session. Children ask Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. It's not compilation, it should be compilation. Compilation of letters received by him from children and his answers. Oxford Bookstore, 8 p.m. this evening. Pick you up, 6:30 p.m. Attend reading session together. So using the information below, write a message which Manu left for his sister Renu. So the names are already given. You cannot write your names, okay? So Manu is writing for his sister that Ruhan had called up. There is a book reading session. The topic is Children Ask Kalam. It is going to be conducted by so and so. And all the letters which he received from the children, he will be discussing that. And where is it? It is at Oxford Book Centre at 8 p.m. this evening. He will pick you up at 6:30 p.m. to attend the reading session together. Okay, so this is, you have to put this as a message. So Manu is writing to Renu. Ruhan rang up to say that there is a book reading session at Oxford Bookstore this evening at 8 o'clock. The book is Children Ask Kalam, a compilation of letters received by Dr. Kalam and his answers. I will pick you up at 6:30 p.m. sharp. We will attend it together. 1 minute. Now, so Ruhan rang up to tell all this. So the brother is telling the sister that you be ready at 6:30. I will pick you up and we shall attend it together. Okay. Then given below is a template for a message. Imagine you are working as a receptionist in a company and you are supposed to maintain the call record. You know, every receptionist will have a call record. Okay. So there is a box like this. Already the register will be there. So first of all, if somebody calls up, call for whom, किसके लिए फ़ोन आया था वो लिखना है पहले. तो AR खान के लिए आया था जो मैनेजर. किसने कॉल किया था? So it was from anything, any name you can write. Okay, one Mr. M.K. Menon called. And what's the name of the company? Sham Traders. Date is what? Put a date, put some time, put some phone number, whatever you want. Message. So this is actually maintained, registers are maintained in most of the places. Then message क्या था? That called up for the pending payment. He requested for a quick payment as he needed funds for trading. उनको funds चाहिए था तो उनका payment के लिए call किया था उन्होंने. He also wanted to know about the next order. Okay, now ये चिट ना अभी for example जो receptionist है वो ये चिट पूरा भर देती है यहाँ तक and she will send it. Taken by किसने मैसेज किसने लिया था? सुनीता शर्मा ने फ़ोन उठाया था और मैसेज लिया था. ओके, एंड मैसेज एक्चुअली था AR खान मैनेजर के लिए, बट असिस्टेंट मैनेजर ने फ़ोन उठाया था. सो दिस गोज टू दैट पर्सन एंड देन शी विल टेल ओके आई रिटर्न द कॉल. यू नो, फ़ोन किया नहीं किया, कॉल बैक करना है, विल कॉल अगेन, जो भी मैसेज है एक्शन क्या लिया वो यहाँ पे सर्कल करना है. देयर आर 4 थिंग्स रिटन हियर. ठीक है. So I want you all to, you can even rearrange a little if you want. Okay, make your own small slips like this, cut out, you know, from a full A4 paper, make it into 4 parts, make nice. When you're writing an exam, you have to write this 1, 2, you get marks for all this, and a very nice box. Messages are always inside a box. Fine. So yeah, that's it. They're given some tips here, exploring. So that's for today.